Good morning friends, this is Mohammed Sadiq with 15 years of experience in telecom, having worked in Nokia, Huawei and Ericsson. I'm a technically strong with BTech in EC and VLSI MTech. My 90 to 70% of work starts with Excel. Daily I prepare a lot of reports, performance monitoring, daily trends, weekly presentations, short-term client meetings. Literally my work has become hectic with all the data on which I work. I came across an ad on Facebook regarding data-driven success, and I took a decision to join the advanced Excel course. I've joined that weekend batch. I've completed it within 2 months. Advanced Excel. Literally, I can say half of my day work has been reduced to 2 hours. And after that, I again joined the advanced Power BI, which totally entirely changed my pattern of work. And I can say that literally I was preparing dashboards for meetings, presentations and everything within 10 to 15 minutes. I was always meeting ready, and whenever there is a glitch, whenever there's a client escalation, whole team looks after me for help, and I was like a data savior for my entire team. And the result of that is my career excelled like I never thought. Within span of 8 months, I have been promoted from deputy manager to the manager. And my sincere suggestion there is that whenever you're choosing any institute, don't blindly go for institutes which provide namesake certifications. Go only for those institutes where there is a real-time approach, where the trainers are professional, where the skills are important than on paper, and where there is a lifetime access for the training videos. My career entirely changed with the data, and Excel skills is what helped me to excel. When you are working on Excel, it's high time that you upgrade yourself, otherwise you will get replaced one day. And special thanks to our trainer Mr. Abdul Muqith, who has been constantly helping me out, and who has been very much cooperative and very much helpful for me during the entire course. And I suggest data-driven success for your career, who are working non-IT professionals who want to excel in their career. Thank you very much.